I'm going to help you make $2,000 this weekend. Are you ready? If you're ready, let me know in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed. It's going to be simple. You are going to create an offer that is something along the lines of, I am helping people with their personal branding for $250, a 90-minute consultation with me, and there are only 8 spots. This is limited to 8 spots. Now, personal branding can be replaced with anything that you want to offer that you believe that you can help somebody accomplish. And remember, you want to charge people for the transformation and the value that they receive rather than what you think they can afford and rather than what you think that you would pay for something. What is the value of what they're getting? You also don't want to think about, oh, I have to add this and I have to add that, and they need all of this extra stuff. What people want is a clear transformation quickly. For instance, you clicked on this video because why? You want to make $2,000 this weekend. I didn't say I'm going to help you make $2,000 in the next 2 years. I didn't say I'm going to give you 10 different videos to watch and have you go through a boot camp. I said I'm going to tell you in this video, right? That's what you want to offer. Now, what we're going to do to make it even cooler and even more interesting for the buyer is that you're going to also offer that they can bring someone with them for free to this consultation. It's a buddy pass, it's whatever. So let's say you're offering something that's related to business or to making money. You're going to say this is for business partners who want to get ready to work together, or this is for a teammate that I want to learn this as well so they can implement it for me. Something along those lines. If it's a hobby, if it's for friends, you can say, hey, don't you want to work with your friend? These are for buddies who want to get together and work on something. And if it's for personal growth or for skill building, you're positioning this as this is your accountability partner. They get to come in with you, right? So that's just going to add that extra oomph to this offer that most people never do. And that'll make people pay attention more. Now you might be saying, okay, that's really interesting and that's really cool. And you've gotten right to the point. But how do I find the people? Who do I offer this to? Okay, there are multiple places and you're going to put in work. This isn't going to just fall into your lap. You're going to put in work because you're going to make $2,000 over the weekend, right? So one thing you could do, and I used to do this, you're going to walk into local stores. You're going to walk into places that are locally owned and you're going to offer this to them. If it's business related, if it's marketing or professionally related, and it makes sense to, you're going to walk in and say, can I speak to someone who makes decisions, buying decisions, or can I speak to the manager, to the owner? You're not going to walk into like a big grocery store or something or a big mall where people do not own the store. You're going to walk into like very small stores that you find in any strip mall. You find it down the street, around the corner, coffee shops, etc. That's one place. Another place, the rest of it's going to be online, but I wanted you to start there because I know that some people don't do that, but they don't think that first. And I'm telling you, that's where a lot of the gold mine is. Now, another place you're going to go is you're going to go into your phone. You're going to open up your phone right now. Again, this is online or on your phone. You're going to open up your phone. You're going to look through your contacts. You're going to look through, you're not going to necessarily go to like your best friend or go to someone who you've done business with in another way and it's going to like cannibalize that relationship or feel weird or something. But you're going to go through and say, is there somebody in my contacts? Did I meet somebody somewhere? Did I work with somebody on a different project? Did we both buy into something that maybe I know their taste? And you're going to see if it's something that would help them. And if it would help them, you owe it to them to let them know about it. And you're just reminding them that there are only 8 spots. And you're reminding them that it's, it's happening soon, it's going to go away soon, and that there's some urgency to it, and that they can bring a friend. Then you're going to go to your email list, whether you have 10 people on your email list or 10,000 people, you're going to your email list. You're letting them know about this great offer. And if you haven't gone to your email list in a long time, you just let it sit there dormant. This is the perfect excuse. Give them a little bit of value in the email. Tell them something, teach them something, link them to a video, do something that maybe even a video that you didn't create, something that's helpful to them. And then you're going to make that offer. But you're going to be very clear. You're not going to put 4 or 5 things in the email. You're going to have a clear CTA, a clear call to action. You can also go to your social, go to your Instagram, go to your TikTok while it still exists, go to LinkedIn, go to different social platforms that you're on, Facebook, etc. And you're going to put it out there into the world. You have to let people know. If you're not letting them know, then how do they know to buy from you? And yes, you're going to put in that work. It's not going to be just one place. It's going to be a few places because you want people to see this. And as soon as you get somebody who buys, you're going to think through and say, okay, the next kind of 12 to 24 hours, you might say only 6 spots left, or only 7 spots left, or only 4 spots left, because you have sold some of those spots. So you want to create even more urgency to the audience that you've already gone out to. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to do that. You're going to try that no matter, and you're going to throw away all the excuses. You're going to make sure that your offer is clear, that there is a clear transformation, and that you can do it quickly. And you're going to throw away these excuses about, oh, I don't have a large email list, or I don't know what I can offer, or I don't. Hey, another thing you can do is take the next hour and look through several of my other videos. I teach you how to come up with an offer. I teach you how to promote. I teach you how to deliver on those offers. I teach you a bunch of stuff. There are a lot of other videos on YouTube you can also study, but you're going to make that the thing. Now, this is the big part I want you to know about so that you don't think, oh, I have to do all 8 of these this weekend. You're going to sell them this weekend because you're going to have that finite amount of time that helps you do the selling, but then you can deliver them later. So you can say, for instance, it's this weekend, and then you can send them to something where it's like they sign up for it over the next 2 weeks. And it's at their convenience and at your convenience. I use Calendly to do something like this because I can put in what dates and times I'm available, and then they can match that and sign up. But you can do however you'd like to do it. And you can have a landing page, by the way, of how you take their payment. You can have it linked to Stripe. You can have Kit do that, which used to be called ConvertKit, or you can have Card, CARRD, that has beautiful free landing pages, and then there's a paid version of that. But you can have a landing page, you can have a school page, you can have all these different ones, or you can get on Zoom calls, use Calendly first to actually book sales calls before they buy, and just have a conversation with them that's maybe 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, but you don't want to give away too much value on that call, but you do want to talk to them, see if there's somebody that you want to work with, see if you can help them. If it seems like you can help them, then you make that offer. So you might put out the word that this is happening, and you might, instead of just sending them to a landing page, this is a second option, like an alternative way of doing it. Instead of just saying, this is the offer, here's the landing page, this is where you buy, you can test out saying, this is the offer. I'm only taking 8 people. I'm having calls today and tomorrow to see who I'm going to take on as a client. You can set up this 15-minute call with me. We'll get to see if I think I can be helpful to you. And then you can send them to some sort of personal private link to make the payment on that call if they turn out to convert. If that makes sense to you, let me know in the comments. If you're going to give this a try, let me know.